All right, good morning, class. So as we continue our study on plants and animals, we're going to take a step from our plants and we're going to move into the things that help humans survive. So the first thing that we're going to talk about today are the different human organs that are inside our body that help us survive. Your body is an amazing machine. It is made of many parts that work throughout every single minute of the day, and each part has an important job to do. Although they have different jobs, these parts all work together to keep you alive. So here's our info pick just to give you some idea of some things that we're going to talk about. Now, for the purposes of my adult assignment, there are two different info picks on here made with two different apps using a collage app and then using two different uploads. Neither one was very friendly for me as they were uploading in different shapes. The one to the left on the human body was made with one app and that was a little bit more user friendly, but then the upload came up sideways, kind of like the gentleman said in the video that if it would be best used for Twitter because it is vertical in the long way. So I had to do some modifications. And the one on the right was made with PicLab. And I'm going to delete that off my phone immediately because I was getting all kinds of in-house or in-app solicitations for purchases, and I didn't feel like I was really safe using that, so I'm sure there's some other ones I can use. But at any rate, the pictures chosen here are just some things to help us remember the different parts of the human body as we continue in our study. All right, so now I'm going to show you my infographic as we talk about human organs. We're going to be looking at different parts of the body. This is an infographic. We're going to talk about the human body that has many parts that here's some words that you're going to need to know. Cell, tissue, organ, tissue, lungs, heart, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver, kidneys, bladder, muscle, and the most important part is the brain. So we're going to continue to look at these in our study about the human body.